Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'll be installing the Darkreader browser extension which converts light theme appearances on websites into dark mode. Sites will then have a dark background with light colored text, so this is great for those who prefer dark mode or spend a large amount of time reading or working on the internet. There are keyboard shortcuts available so you can easily turn it on and off. It's available in Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. I'm going to be installing it on Chrome. So go to darkreader.org and then click on Darkreader for Chrome. I'm going to add it to Chrome. All right, it's installed. I'm just going to pin it. And if I visit any website here, let's go to Wikipedia, and it's in dark mode. And if I click on it, and you can see the different options. So you can go to dark mode or light mode. You can change the brightness. You can increase it or decrease it. The contrast, you can increase it or you can decrease it. Sepia, it changes the reddish brown color for the website, and grayscale would increase the grayness or decrease it. So you got site list here, and then there's inverted list only, so you can put it under here, or not inverted, which would make it dark. And then there's the more option. So here you can change the font, so you can check off, and then it'll change the text into Sego UI, and then you can change it to any other font you want, like Arial, for example, or Calibri. I'm just going to change it back. Let's go UI, and I'm going to disable it. And then next is text stroke. So you can increase the boldness for each of the characters. And then here you got the experimental theme engines. So you can try filter. It'll change the theme. There's filter plus, static, and then I'll keep it on dynamic. And you can go to the top here, configure automation to select the time. I usually just keep it on all the time. And down here is extension on off keyboard shortcut. And you can click on here to set up different shortcuts. And to toggle the extension, it's Alt plus Shift plus D. So if I go back to the page here, Shift plus Alt plus D to quickly turn it off and to turn it back on when needed. It may take some time to get used to dark mode on sites if you're used to the light theme, but I generally have it set to always on by default as it helps reduce strain on my eyes. So I hope this video was useful and I thank you for watching. Bye now.